Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this big right triangle ABD. It consists of these two triangles, the blue right triangle ABC and the red isosceles triangle ACD, as you can see in this given diagram. And moreover, the area of this blue triangle has been given to us as 84 centimeter square, and the AB side length of this triangle is 24 centimeter. And once again, bear in mind that this segment AC equal to this segment CD. And now our task is to calculate the area of this red triangle ACD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And now let's focus on this blue right triangle ABC. I'm going to label this tiny segment BC length as X. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the area of this blue triangle has been given to us as 84. And its base is X, whereas the height is 24. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula. So our area is 84 equals to a half times our base is X and our height is 24. And we know our right hand side is going to be simplified as 12 times X. So therefore we could write 12 times X equals to 84. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 12 to isolate X. So therefore we could see that our X value simply turns out to be 7 centimeter. So thus our this X value turns out to be 7. In other words, our this segment BC length is 7 centimeter. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC. I'm going to label this hypotenuse as Y. And now our task is to find the value of Y. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here is our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is y, whereas our two other legs are 7 and 24. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 7 square plus 24 square equals to y square. And now I am going to undo this square by taking the square root on both sides. So therefore our y value simply turns out to be 25 centimeter. So thus our this y value turns out to be 25. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this side AC length equal to this side CD length. If this is 25, then this CD length has got to be 25 centimeter as well. And now we can see this whole BD side length is going to be 7 plus 25 is going to give us 32. And now let's focus on this right triangle ABD. We know this side length is 24, this side length is 32. So therefore now I'm going to label this hypotenuse as lowercase m. And now our task is to find the value of m. So therefore we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem as well. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again: a square plus b square equal to c square. Our hypotenuse is lowercase m, whereas our two other legs are 24 and 32. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 24 square plus 32 square equal to m square. And now I am going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase m value turns out to be equal to 40 centimeter. So thus our this hypotenuse m value turns out to be 40. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular CE on this base AD. And since we are dealing with this red triangle as an isosceles triangle, so therefore this perpendicular CE is going to divide this base into two equal parts. This segment AE length is going to be equal to DE length. If this whole length is 40, then this AE length is going to be 20, and likewise DE length is 20 as well. And in this next step, I am going to label this perpendicular CE as our height lowercase h. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle CDE. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to solve for height h. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again. In our case, our hypotenuse is 25, whereas our two other legs are h and 20. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got h square plus 20 square equals to 25 square. And that is going to give us h square plus 400 equal to 625. And now I'm going to subtract 400 from both sides to isolate h square. And here we can see this cancels out. H square turns out to be equal to 225. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking square root on both sides. So therefore our height h value simply turns out to be 15 centimeter. So therefore our height h value turns out to be 15. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this red triangle ACD. And now let's recall once again the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this red triangle is 40 and the height is 15. So therefore the area is going to be a half times our base is 40 times our height is 15. And if we multiply and simplify, that is going to give us 300 centimeter square, the area of this red triangle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this red triangle turns out to be 300 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this red triangle is 300 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.